Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the QR code on a referral letter. Referral letters are used to refer the patient to another medical practitioner or specialist for additional observations. Having a QR code on the referral letter ensures that patients do not try to use fake or previously used referral letters for unnecessary medical assessments or procedures. For the purpose of this video, we will be starting on a previously generated referral letter. A QR code will appear on the referral letter, enabling a practitioner to verify that the letter is valid and to download a digital copy of the referral. Using your mobile device, you're able to scan the QR code, which will redirect you to the View Referral Letter screen on the GrandXChange website. A brief explanation will be given of each field on the View Referral Letter screen. An indication of the validity of the referral letter will be given by the display of the green checkmark next to the referral letter field. The date on which the referral letter was issued to the patient will also be displayed. If you would like to have a copy of the referral letter, click on the Download PDF button to download a PDF version of the letter. Click on the drop-down menu for additional information. The referring practitioner's name and practice number will be displayed, as well as the patient and main member's personal and medical aid information. The referral details section will show the specific information relating to the patient who is being referred. Click on the Diagnosis drop-down menu to view all of the ICD-10 codes linked to the patient. Click on the Appointment Details drop-down menu to see the date and time for when the appointment was scheduled. Please note that if the practitioner made an appointment on behalf of the patient at your practice, the details on the agreed upon date and time will be displayed. The referring note summarizes the reason for the referral and is also where medical history, test results, and any other relevant information about the patient's condition can be provided. The treating practitioner's signature will also be displayed as confirmation of the referral. Click on the Claim button to mark the referral as claimed, meaning that the patient is unable to use this referral letter at a different practice. You'll be redirected to the GrandXChange login screen, where you'll be able to log in using your GrandXChange login information. Once logged in, the referral letter will now be saved under your GrandXChange profile for future access if necessary.